Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and welcome to The Print at the Movies. This week's movie is Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, starring Janhvi Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi and Angad Bedi. This film tells us the real-life inspiring story of Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, who was the first Indian female combat pilot to have fought in a war. The movie takes us through Gunjan's life, right from her childhood when she got obsessed with the idea of flying, right up to when she got into the IAF, all the while with people telling her that she cannot be a pilot because she's a woman. Gunjan, however, with single-minded determination and the support and love of her father, played by Tripathi, manages to get into the IAF, where she realizes the one thing that everybody has been telling her all her life, that this is a man's world, it is a world built for men, and she has no place in it. But her love for flying and her obsession with becoming a pilot take her all the way to the top, all the way to Kargil. Writers Sharan Sharma and Nikhil Mehrotra bring out the sexism, the subtle and the overt really well through the writing. And that is where the success of this film really lies, because this story is every woman's story. Sexism is prevalent in every industry, and even more so in the armed forces, where women weren't allowed to participate in combat roles until very recently. The writing is also very smart because the writers use the men around Gunjan to display different kinds of toxic masculinity and misogyny. For example, Gunjan's brother, played by Angad Bedi, is the typical savior complex guy. He loves his sister and wants what's best for her, but keeps telling her that the armed forces or even being a pilot is not the best for her because it is not safe and it is a man's job.
क्या दिख रहा है?
Air Force officers.
10 Air Force officers और एक लड़की.
On the other hand, there is Gunjan's squad. All of them with such fragile masculinity that they are threatened by her mere presence and refuse to work with her. The screenplay of the film also really wins here because the pacing of the film is just right, there is no over-dramatization, and humor is used perfectly as a buffer between super dramatic scenes. Where the film struggles are the performances. Janhvi Kapoor has improved slightly since her debut film, but only very slightly. She is good in sentimental scenes thanks to her big doe eyes, but when it comes to nuance, anger or drama, she's still very raw. The performance that does shine through is Tripathi's as the loving, doting father who's always got his daughter's back. Now, there are many reasons to watch this movie. But the one reason I would say is that despite being a story about an IAF pilot, this movie does not glorify patriotism to the country at all. In fact, it questions it. In a scene where Gunjan asks her father if she's doing the right thing by joining the IAF because she's not very patriotic, she just loves flying. And the answer to her question is worth watching this movie for. This is Madhavi Pothuguchi for The Print, and you're watching At the Movies. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.